Is that why you removed a healthy ovary without any scientific diagnosis?
Don't you address my client, Mr. Riley.
Do you have a God complex?
This is unacceptable.
No. Let him address me.
Oh, Jed.
No. It's about time that I gave some answers here.
Stop typing. This is off the record.
The question is, do I have a God complex?
Dr. Kessler says you do.
Which makes me wonder if this lawyer has any idea as to the kind of grades one must receive in college to be accepted at a top medical school. Or if you have the vaguest clue as to how talented someone has to be to lead a surgical team. I have an MD from Harvard. I am board certified in cardiothoracic medicine and trauma surgery. I've received 7 different citations from medical boards in New England. And I am never, ever sick at sea. So I asked you, when someone goes into that chapel and they fall on their knees and they pray to God that their wife doesn't miscarry or that their daughter doesn't bleed to death or that their mother doesn't suffer acute neurotrauma from post-operative shock, who do you think they're praying to? Now, you go ahead and read your Bible, Dennis, and you go to your church, and with any luck, you may win your annual raffle. But if you were looking for God, he was in operating room number 2 on November 17th, and he doesn't like to be second guessed. You asked me if I had a God complex. Let me tell your ass something. I am God.